Hello student, class 8th, subject science, chapter 5, fuel, combustion and flame. In this chapter, we will discuss about some points like classification of fuels, type of fuels, combustion, what is flame, and the history of candle. As we know, fuel is a heat energy which we get from the burning of substance, burning of fuel. Means when we have to burn the fuel, some energy is obtained from the fuel which is known as heat energy. Burning is the process of rapid oxidation. Burning एक rapid oxidation का process है. Most of the substances are made up of carbon and hydrogen. Mostly the fuel substance which is made up of carbon and hydrogen. When the fuel burns, it produces heat and light. All combustible substance cannot be called fuels. जितने भी combustible substance होते हैं, this is not called as a fuel. According to fuel can be classified into two ways. According to this, fuel is classified into two ways. First, on the basis of their physical state, and second, the basis of their occurrence. Now first, classification of fuels. On the basis of physical state of fuels, they are generally classified into three: solid, liquid and gaseous. Solid fuels like wood, animal dung, cakes and agricultural waste together contribute about 80% of domestic fuel requirement in the rural area. Means in rural area में जितनी भी domestic fuel की requirement होती है वो कहाँ से fulfill करते हैं? wood से, animal dung, cake से and agriculture waste को use करके वो अपनी fuel की requirement fulfill करते हैं. Now liquid fuel and gaseous fuel are generally preferred for domestic and industrial purpose. डोमेस्टिक एंड इंडस्ट्रियल पर्पस के लिए मोस्टली लिक्विड एंड गैसियस फ्यूल को प्रीफर किया जाता है. एंड केरोसिन ऑयल इज़ अ पॉपुलर लिक्विड फ्यूल. केयर शुड बी टेकन सो दैट कंप्लीट कंबशन टेक प्लेस. हमें फ्यूल बर्न करते टाइम हमें केयर करनी चाहिए कि कंप्लीट कंबशन हो, बिकॉज इन कंप्लीट कंबशन इट इज़ द कॉजेज ऑफ वेस्टेज ऑफ फ्यूल एंड एटमॉस्फेरिक पॉल्यूशन. मीन्स अगर इनकम्प्लीट कंबशन, फ्यूल का इनकम्प्लीट कंबशन होगा तो वो दे स्प्रेड पॉल्यूशन, एटमॉस्फेरिक पॉल्यूशन एंड वेस्टेज ऑफ फूड फ्यूल अकर्स. फ्यूल वेस्ट होगा और एटमॉस्फेरिक पॉल्यूशन होगा कॉज ऑफ इनकम्प्लीट कंबशन. The fuel produced from the remains of plant and animal buried under the earth millions of years ago are known as fossil fuel. Fossil fuels are produced. कब प्रोड्यूस होते हैं फॉसिल फ्यूल? कब बनते हैं? हंड्रेड्स मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स एगो जो रिमेनिंग जो डेड प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स हैं वो अंडर अर्थ बरीड होते हैं एंड दे आर नोन एज फॉसिल फ्यूल. Fossil fuel produce large amount of energy on burning. And example of the fossil fuel: coal, petroleum, natural gas. Now, calorific value of fuel. The amount of heat energy produced when fuel burns. Then when 1 kilogram of fuels is completely burned in the presence of pure oxygen is called calorific value of the fuel. देखिए वॉट इज़ द कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू? जब 1 kg फ्यूल कम्प्लीटली बर्न होता है ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एज कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू ऑफ फ्यूल. इट इज़ एक्सप्रेस किलोग्राम पर ग्राम. The calorific value of common solid, liquid and gaseous fuels are as following, like biogas. It is a gaseous fuel and its calorific value is 35 to 40, and the sources of biogas is organic matter. Coal, it is a solid state, it is found in solid state and its calorific value is 25 to 33, and the sources of it fossil fuel. Now, the property of smokeless chula in comparison with traditional chula is summarized below. There are differentiate between smokeless chula and traditional chula. Smokeless chula, here combustion of fuel is completed. It provides with a tall chimney and its efficiency is better, and the product of combustion do not come in contact with the person using chula. Means there is no soot and smoke is remaining in the smokeless chula. Traditional chula, there is incomplete combustion. Usually 3 to 10% of fuel is burned. It does not have a chimney and they have less efficiency, means 6 to 8% burn only. The smoke containing harmful gases like causes pollution and health problem like respiratory disease. In traditional chula, they produce harmful gases which causes pollution and they have health problem and they spread some disease like respiratory diseases. Now the ignition temperature of a fuel. The minimum temperature at which a fuel catches fire is termed as its ignition temperature. Minimum temperature, जिस टेम्परेचर पर किसी भी सब्सटेंस में फायर कैच हो जाती है, फायर को वो पकड़ लेता है, दिस minimum temperature is known as ignition temperature. The substance having low ignition temperature catches fire easily. जिसका ignition temperature सबसे कम होगा वो easily fire को catch कर लेगा. Now the properties of a good fuel. The fuel should be cheap and easy available. Easily available होता है, cheap हो, this is the good fuel. It should be easily stored and transported. Should be safe in handling and handle करने में easy होता है, transfer करने में easy है, store easily हो जाता है. Good fuel. And good fuel have high calorific value. It has a high calorific value. It should produce very small amount of residue like ash. Smoke produce नहीं होता है. There is no smoke, no residues remaining. It should not cause pollution on burning. Good fuel should have a low ignition temperature. The fuel should burn at a slow rate with controlled combustion. Among all these fuel gases fuel are the best. देखिए, all gases fuel are example of good fuel like CNG. There is no residue remaining, no smoke. There is a probably no fuel that could be considered as an ideal fuel. CNG is the ideal fuel. Okay, now in next video I will start fossil fuel of this chapter.